gain muscle and lose fat at the same time. When muscle accretion, building muscle, and lipolysis, breaking down fat, happens at the same time, it's called body recomposition. During body recomposition, two opposite pathways are working together, so some people think that building muscle and losing fat must be done separately because biology behind them seems opposite. Muscle building or anabolism requires energy and amino acids. Fat loss or lipolysis requires an energy deficit. So can the body do both? And if so, how? Muscle growth happens through a process called muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. This pathway is anabolic, meaning it builds muscle tissue. What activates MPS? Well, there are three big triggers. First is mechanical tension or resistance training. Lifting weights activates mTOR. This is the primary switch that begins muscle building. This tells the body, we need more muscle to handle this stress. No training, mTOR stays quiet, and this means no growth. The second trigger is amino acids, especially leucine. Proteins, which are made up from amino acids, provide the raw materials for new muscle fibers. And the amino acid leucine directly activates mTOR, amplifying the signals from training. The third trigger is energy availability. Here's the surprising part. Muscle building does not require a huge amount of calorie surplus. It simply needs enough energy to support the muscle protein synthesis process. Come from food or stored body fat. This is one of the keys to body recomposition. Now let's talk lipolysis and the body's fat burning pathway. Lipolysis is the breakdown of stored fat into usable energy. It's triggered when the body senses lower insulin, increased energy demand, or slight calorie deficit. Hormones involved are HSL, or hormone-sensitive lipase, and ATGL, that's adipose triglyceride lipase. These enzymes release fatty acids to be burned for fuel. Lipolysis ramps up during periods of fasting, calorie deficits, training, low insulin states, high daily movement. Lipolysis does not interfere with muscle building as long as the protein and training are strong. So how do both pathways work at the same time? Here's the simple explanation. Your body doesn't run on a 24-hour mode. It runs on signals that happens hour by hour. When you lift weights and eat enough protein, mTOR switches on. MPS increases, muscle is built. The process is anabolic. Your body is in building mode. This can last 4 to 24 hours depending on your training intensity and protein availability. When your body doesn't have fuel from food or even overnight, then insulin is lower, hormone-sensitive lipase increases. The body shifts towards using stored fat. Lipolysis ramps up, your body burns fat for energy. This is a catabolic process. So look at this. You train and you take protein, you're in muscle building phase. But between meals and when you have a slight calorie deficit, you actually burn fat. Two opposite pathways, different windows, same body, same day. How cool is that? So let's go over this one more time. Muscle growth is powered by protein and tension. A fat loss is powered by calorie control and hormone. And the best part is, these pathways don't cancel each other out. They run on different switches. And if you flip both switches on correctly, your body burns fat to provide the energy to build muscle. So now we know the truth about body recomposition. It works because you can activate both systems.